This 2022 Winnebago Travato 59G is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3, microwave, TV, refrigerator, awning, self-contained, external shower, air conditioning. The floor plan layout of this Class B features couples coach. This 2022 Winnebago Travato 59G is built on a Promaster chassis and is powered by a Ram engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.